And so let us move into our meditation time. We take a few nice grounding breaths. And we just notice anywhere where there might be clenching or tension in the body. We allow it to gently release. We notice any thoughts drifting on by. We allow them to gently release. I just allow gentle relaxing into this moment. Gently noticing and gently releasing. More present into this moment. Allowing our thoughts to come back to center. Noticing and releasing. Bringing back to center. And breathing. And we breathe and bring our thoughts back to center. Simply noticing where our minds might be going and bring them back. This place of peace and presence. And now I invite you to let your heart be filled with gratitude. Let your heart be filled with appreciation and love. This moment, this overfilled love, overflowing love is all there is. Just imagine for a moment the truth in that overflowing love is all there is. And allow that overflowing love to spread. Noticing those who maybe your heart is withdrawn from, allowing overflowing love to embrace. Noticing those who've been on your mind and your heart, allowing this overflowing love to embrace. We come from many different backgrounds and beliefs, but in the core, our love for one another remains, and so we tap into that. It's a global community, letting overflowing love grow, embrace, comfort, guide. We practice, our spiritual practice, envelops and supports our global family. We breathe in that truth. We see what's ours to do. We bring our awareness back to this moment, this time and place, noticing our body, noticing the room around us. Maybe we wiggle those fingers and toes. Stretch. Oh,